Go see the vet? Go see the veterinarian?
Just a perfectly planned heist designed to blame it on unconsciousness, but ended up as the view of a surveillance addict. That's literally their most unwanted variable in the plan.
We just sat on the ground and pee now.
Then, I give up.
No. Don't look at me that way. You heard what I said.
Courage at the vet.
Help! Help me!
Damn.
The dog teaches the baby about loyalty, while the baby teaches the dog that even the gentlest touch can hold a whole world of love.
Training for the Leaf Blower World Championship.
They put their chin. They all want the kisses.
I'm working.
Bro just dropped a track called Pause and Bass.
There's a fine line between cooperation and competition.
or the sneaky one? Smarter next time. Stay tuned. The ultimate battle. Who will be the rope champion?
Everyone has their own way of enjoying a Sunday.
No. No. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Nope.
Look no further. This is the video that will have you laughing so hard you can't breathe. From clumsy moves to hilariously goofy expressions, these dogs are true comedy stars.
Hurry up, get down.
Oh well, Dad has raised 2 iPad kiddos for sure.
Who is this? Girl, I am the only king in this house.
It seems he's gone into high alert mode.
Oh, he's so cute. Okay, thank you.
Wait. Can you actually answer a quick question?
Who said the perfect dog bed doesn't exist?
You're doing it wrong. Getting loud now, too.
Against sleep, just to show his emotional support.
He's not going anywhere. Hello, Robert.
Hello, Robert.
Nope.
We see you. We see you, Robert.
No! No! This is my food!
Picture of your siblings when they see food.
Bro can enjoy anything, but not in front of me, thanks.
Diz was just denied snackies, and she's having a hard time processing what a no is.
Keep up and get with it.
Santa's little helper.
Bro, what is this? Ari!
I'm an astronaut.
What an incredible save. He always shows up at exactly the right moment.
I circle you.
This little bean thinks he can bark and fetch like it's two big brothers. This cat's ready to get 100 points on the maths test.
He's done run over in that dirt. Water than it anyway after y'all put that cream all over. Watch out, he's gonna get you where he don't want you to in a minute. He's gonna bite something that's gonna moan in a minute.
Look at her. Soup.
What if this dog suddenly
Epic hunting mission, but end up this clueless.
Dad! Come get him! Come over here! Come over here! You guys want to
Don't make that face. I'm just checking if it's a good dish.
watch me? Hey, watch me. Okay.
Hey boy, what's up?
lift your right hand high toward the ceiling and then back toward the back?
Oh my god.
Help it! It's the law. You gotta get your shots. You have to go get your shots.
Make a circle, make a circle.
I'll give you my harvest.
Boy, yes you are.
It's okay. Oh my goodness. It's okay. Dad's gonna carry you inside, okay?
is obsessed with you. What is happening? You've stolen her. It wasn't me.
Me and the project,
No. No. Your paws are wet.
The moment you realize that Kitty's culinary requirements.
Someone probably told him that if you don't look at it, you won't be scared.
Lass einfach. Hass mich.
Sounded like he broke his nose.
No, I'm not letting you bully me anymore. Was that you? Was that you saying?
Ah, dude. Hello. Hug out. Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with you?
No! God, please, no!
More cats you have, less peace in the house. Buddy asks,
huh? Just as he was about to do something naughty, he suddenly remembered there was a camera in the house.
Yeah, I'm seeing the one to put.
Oh my gosh! What do I do?
Buddy's like, why run from trouble when you can just vibe with it?
No. Here, and I know what's gonna happen. Here we go!
Oh.
Come here. Why?
It's what?
Oh, hello. Oh, my little loves. Goodness. Oh, I miss.
Hey.
Come here. Come on, baby.
2, 6. 1, 2, 7. 1.
So it isn't because of me eating too much.
That's probably why he always brings home the most random things he finds on the street. The owner...
Whoa. Agua. Agua.
El otro. Hola, pregúntale. ¿Todo bien? ¿Anda dando rollo? ¿Ya está terminando, sí? Acá dándole una mano a preguntarle. ¿Qué día feo?
Hey, it's gone. What the fuck?
Friendship may be fragile, but
Dogs are aware of social interactions. They're not approving of this new friendship.
What's he searching for? Lost treasures? Or maybe just last week's snack?
Upward facing dog. Downward.
Does she realize there's one next to her? Look at her. She's not happy.
Let go.
Okay, here. Come here. Get the other one. Come here.
His nose will take a temporary break from work.
Right. You're not having a twister, are you? No.
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
What an adorable dog, right?
We are all gathered here to pray.
It's like being promised a trip to Disneyland.
You are not gentle. You are not a gentle boy. You kind of...
That squirrel's $1 million bull rider.
How
Paco! 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 You're gonna fall, buddy.
We've all had our moments of terrible boredom.
Strategy. Fifth grader? Maybe not, but definitely cuter. They all agreed not to make noise at night. Yeah, that didn't happen.
Thank you. Thanks for the promise.
Did you miss Grandma? Oh my god.
Silent night.
Oh my goodness.
This cat's reaction says it all. He's definitely not from around here.
Don't feed the dog. Layla, it's not good for the doggy. Layla. No, it's for Layla. Put it in.
You know what it's like to smell a pair of socks? It's shock.
Some kinds of affection just take your breath away.
Gen Z energy when the boss complains about them.
Eso.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner.
This cat's not letting me Facebook. Here. No, cat. You gotta stop it. I wanna watch this stuff. Cat. No. We gotta go the other way.
Oh. Theo, you're too...
Não tem caminha de gato nessa casa, só a do cachorro.
No.
For help.
The line between circus acrobatics and...
Stop it! No!
I'm pretty sure that's how evolution happened.
Compared to this homie's anger. Now, no negative number is enough to describe her score.
Barley!
Tucker, place.
Aw,
Do you like him, Pull Bunches?
I love him.
Oh, good.
Betsy! What's happening? What's working out that? Hello?
History's first ball theft, starring the pit bull, who proudly takes it back like a champ.